Tomorrow's rain, wash the stains away. Something in our minds will always stay.
The ocean averages 2 miles in depth and is filled with life. The underwater world supports life forms in a far wider diversity of shapes and colors than exist on land. The ocean encompasses creatures as delicate as the jellyfish or as powerful as the whale. Somehow they all fit together, and we're just beginning to understand how. Our growing knowledge is important. We can't protect what we don't understand.
Years ago, we learned what the birds know instinctively. Flying is serious business, but with magic all its own.
When I'm flying that airplane, I'm alive, and I'm part of that airplane, and that airplane's part of me. I'm absolutely in love with it, and I know I belong there. This is what I was born for.
There's a joy known to all who share the sky.